If you're considering Bill.com for your tax compliance needs, there are 12 important things you should know before making a purchase. It's a strong contender in the world of sales tax software, but you'll want to make sure it's the right fit for your business. We'll go through what it offers and how it compares to other software options, so you can make an informed decision. The first thing to know is that Bill.com integrates well with major accounting software, like QuickBooks and Xero, which makes it an easy fit for many businesses already using these tools. However, while it excels in streamlining invoicing and payments, it may not be as powerful in handling complex sales tax calculations as other competitors like Avalara or TaxJar. Next thing to consider is Bill.com's focus on automating payment processes. This is a great feature for businesses that need a solution for accounts payable and receivable, but it's not as tax specific as some alternatives. So, if your primary need is sales tax automation and reporting, you might find specialized tax software more helpful. The third thing is that Bill.com's tax compliance features aren't as robust as some of the leading tax automation services. While it can manage basic tax rates and rules, it lacks in-depth features such as real-time rate updates for every state, which can be a drawback if you operate across multiple tax jurisdictions. The fourth thing to note is the user interface. Bill.com is praised for its intuitive design, making it easy to navigate and manage tasks. But, when compared to the user-friendly dashboards of dedicated tax solutions, it might feel a bit more complex, especially if you're only looking for sales tax automation. Next up, Bill.com provides solid customer support, but when you compare it to other tax software companies, the expertise in sales tax-specific inquiries might fall short. Competitors like Avalara have tax experts on hand who are deeply familiar with the nuances of tax compliance, which can be a major asset for businesses in need of precise guidance. The sixth thing is its pricing. Bill.com's pricing is more affordable for businesses that need full accounts payable automation. However, if you're only interested in sales tax compliance, you may find other services like TaxJar to be more cost-effective in the long run, since they specialize specifically in tax management. The seventh thing to consider is Bill.com's reporting capabilities. While it provides some reports related to transactions, it lacks detailed tax reports that are essential for comprehensive tax filings. Other tax software tools, like Avalara, offer deeper insights and better compliance reporting, which might be more aligned with your needs. The eighth thing is scalability. Bill.com can grow with your business, but it might not be the best fit for companies with complex tax compliance needs. If you're running a large operation with intricate tax obligations across states or countries, you might need a more specialized solution. Ninth, it's important to know that Bill.com's integrations, while solid, may not support every specific feature you need for advanced tax automation. Specialized tools like Avalara have broad integrations with e-commerce platforms, point-of-sale systems, and even international tax solutions. Next thing, Bill.com works well for businesses looking to automate repetitive tasks and improve workflow. But if you're hoping for tax compliance to be fully handled for you, other services like TaxJar could do more for your sales tax reporting, filing, and payments with greater automation. The 11th thing to mention is the learning curve. Even though Bill.com is designed to be user-friendly, setting up advanced tax features can take a little time. If you're in a rush to get your sales tax under control, other tools like Avalara have simpler and more guided setups for tax professionals. The 12th thing is that while Bill.com offers a solid suite of financial tools, it's not primarily built for handling complex sales tax across multiple jurisdictions. For businesses that need more advanced tax automation, checking out a solution like Avalara or TaxJar could be a more tailored fit. In conclusion, Bill.com is a solid choice for automating your payments and financial workflows, but it's not the most robust solution for sales tax compliance. If you're looking for specialized, detailed tax features, consider exploring other software options. If you want a better option for tax automation, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free today.